Hey guys, so I wanted to share with you my crafting area. So I'm currently in the basement. Is supposed to be the basement storage, but this beauty is my craft room. So see, this is the staircase. That is the other part of our workout area. Right over there. It's my husband's storage, military storage. And I set this area up because it's right near the door. And it has the best internet, so I have my, well, the best internet in the basement. So this is trash from Christmas, from all the wrapping. Those are the brown paper that the wrapping paper comes on. And this is my old cutting mat that I just took out. This was my mailing staging area, so I have my boxes here waiting to be filled and mailed. And this is how I store some of my unused work that we didn't put up in the house. So this is all graduation and all that stuff. So my table is where I work. My bookshelf, where I'm trying to get organized, guys. I'm really trying hard. My old desk, which I use for my sewing. And this is the gift bags container. And there's my wrapping paper, and I just stuff it into this old laundry basket. And this is also trash from the mail. From mail we got. And here I store my ribbons, and these are like my letters from long ago and old Christmas cards and some memorabilia from my children from school. And all of that are like my references. So from here, this side beyond is like real storage, like our linens, my chair right here that I used to have in here so I could sit on it. Those are all our boxes for when we move. So we keep our original boxes for TVs and stuff. So I keep those and we repack our TVs into that. And this would be the sewing side. So this whole container are fabrics that I use, and this is just some leftover fabric. I have to find a spot. I have to clear out old fabric. I have a lot to work out, guys. I have to sort and purge and toss some stuff away. And that was my mailing station right there. So when I wanted to mail stuff out, those were where I store my boxes. And my recycle center, so whatever products I thought, empty products, I keep in this area and then I recycle them. So like jars and hard plastic containers and stuff in cardboard boxes, if they're cute. And this is where I sit. So here's my new mat I got for Christmas. And I love it. So nice and pretty, just like the old mat. It's double-sided, so the other side is the darker gray. There's my 3-tier tray that I made that is still incomplete because I'm still searching for the Lazy Susan. And then there's my my lamp with my new punch board, the envelope punch board that I just received from Kat, and I've already played with it. I made some really teeny tiny envelopes, as you can see. They're very cute. They're super tiny. They're probably like 2 inches. No, 1.5 inches. So very cute. And I'm working on a project, so I wasn't supposed to show you that, but it's okay. And then this is my setup. I have, I took this piece from a selfie stick, and I just screwed it onto the base of my tripod. And to prevent it from tipping over, I put it in my jar, my floral jar that I received from my daughter. So I stuck it in there and I kind of put some weight in it. And that's where I mount my phone. And then this is just my lamp. I love this lamp, but I need something better. It's just an ordinary desk lamp, but what I use in it is a daylight light bulb. It's handy, it works, it gives off good light, but from my side, when I'm looking at my work, I get a lot of shadow, and it's already hard enough for me to see, so I gotta work on that. And here's my scoreboard that I couldn't remember the name of when I was making that video. And then I keep my little tablet right here to keep me entertained. Either I play music or watch some YouTube. And this here is just my storage again, and my laminating machine, which I'm going to be putting to use in a few. So yeah, right now these bins don't normally live here. Usually they're on the other side of the stairwell, and they're well organized usually. But because it's the holidays, I pulled them out so I can access them when I need to put them away. And then Easter's coming up and Valentine's is coming up. So these are just lined up and ready for the following season. But this is where they usually live. And I have them all nice and organized right over here. And that is what I gotta work on. I gotta get this place organized. We're getting ready to move. So a lot of things will be leaving this house with us or through the trash. So wish me luck. And I'll show you another glimpse. So this is the other side. I'm gonna show you a glimpse of what it looks like now. It is a hot mess. And I will get this place pulled together again. So see you on the other side. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back, and it's not the best craft room, but this is what I have to work with. So remember, I'm in the basement. I'm actually in a storage area, and there's the furnace, so that's proof. There's the heating ducts that are right above my workstation. So I got it cleaned up. Only thing I have to do now is vacuum, so I gotta haul the vacuum down here. So I got my table cleared and wiped down. Remember, this is my mailing station. So when I send out Happy Mail to my family and friends, that's where I set up their boxes. That's my packing, well, not my packing, my gift station. So got that all cleaned up and put away, and I threw some stuff away. There's the rest of my Christmas wrapping paper. And then I got my bow situation organized over here. And then my reference books are all on that bookshelf. So these are all memories from my family, Christmas and birthdays. And yeah, those are just projects waiting to happen. And this is the workstation. So this I just put together. I have to put it away. And I got my lamps situated. I fixed my dolls, put them on their stands. And this is my bookshelf. I have some of my utensils and tools all set up there, so it's easy to get to. And then here's my tablet. Sorry, I'm watching my video. And I have my glue gun situated here. So I just have a power strip right there, and that will turn on and off this whole situation right here. So there's my chair, and I have like a few shirts waiting to be sewn into a blanket. And then down here is where I keep my scrapbook paper. So they're all nice and tidy down here, and they're arranged by holiday, some random stuff. And there's my crochet stuff. I got my needles all together, and I got my yarns all organized. And here we have some shreds and some packing shreds, and then my stickers, more tools, more stickers. And then I keep my scrap ends in this basket, and then some ephemera and some extra cotton balls and bows and more bling, and then dimensional stickers that I just haul from Dollar Tree. And then here I have my little display from my friend Kat. I cleaned up my little caddy a little bit, got rid of some of my stuff, and I rearranged my drawers. So these are my pins and notebook paper clips and stuff. And then I rearranged here, brought my girls down a little lower. So these are dolls that were from my island for the girls back home. And now they're collectibles because they don't make them anymore. And I just purchased this one just this year, so. And there you have my little frame from Dollar Tree. And here are my tools. I just keep my tools here. My glitter, chalk, and some Dollar Tree displays. And I cleaned up my pens and my markers, moved them here so they're easier to get to. And then here's my little recycle center right here. And then I have my posters and my foam core, stuff like that for crafts and stuff. And so when you look this way, this is usually where I am when I create my stuff. And my glue gun, like I said, is plugged into my power strip. And that's where I have my camera set up, so it's facing directly down onto our projects. Okay, and then we just have some supply, mailing supply, my sewing section, and then more crafts supplies, and I have some twine rope and stuff and wood. Sorry guys. And then we have here like our envelopes and birthday greeting cards. And then these are just little drawers of doodads. Okay, and then we have more storage, Halloween, fall, Valentine's, and then we have storage for bags. So little gift bags. And this here is just hiding some gifts for friends. This actually lives upstairs in my living room right now where my nativity is. And it's just down here for now. And then these are scraps that I'm still working with. And then everybody knows what wired tier shelving is. I just have this from my craft sale days. I don't do craft shows anymore, but I use it now. I'm using it now for like storage. And this I just got for Christmas from Walmart. My husband asked, what do I want for Christmas? And I said, okay, we're gonna get this for me. And this is not really how I want to use it, but for now in this little craft area, that's what I'm going to do. It just has my ribbons and stuff from Christmas. Okay, and then here's my sewing machine. I put my old cutting mat on my glass table, so that gives it a cutting surface now, and I can use that when I'm sewing and cutting off fabric. And then I guess that's it. And there's my laminating machine, and I still have my Christmas stuff out because, you know, it's still Christmas in this house. So that's it, guys. It's not perfect, but this is what I have to work with. So I got it a little bit cleaned up, and that is where I work, guys. So yeah, December 29th, I cleaned up my craft room. I should say my craft area. So happy New Year, and I hope this gets you guys motivated to clean out your space. And I'll see you all on the next video. Bye, guys.